And we used to have our Christmas in January. Hello Sanibonani beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Thenjiwe Unplugged. If you are new to this channel, my name is Thenjiwe, and in this video I am going to be undecorating with you. All good things come to an end, and so has the decoration period for Christmas 2020. We have to say goodbye to all the decorations for 2020. I was so convinced that I was going to take my decorations down at the end of January because I thought, I love how it looks around Christmas. But this year I didn't have much decorations because if you follow this channel, you know that I am not in my main home. I am currently in England. I am here for the duration of the lockdown. I've been here for so long. But I am having a good time. I did have a good Christmas. We were not allowed to have visitors. It was Christmas on lockdown, but we still had a good time as a family. In November, they had told us that we could have visitors, but then they changed their minds and said no more visitors. So we couldn't even have visitors or go anywhere to visit anybody. This is a new tree that I bought in 2020, and it's a plastic tree, so I would like to save it. I'm going to save it, and I have bought these storage things. They were very, very cheap. I got it from the pound shop. It was only £5, and I also got this one for all the decorative stuff that is on the tree, because I do want to save it. And fortunately for me, I do have storage because I have a loft. My apartment is on the top floor, so I got the loft. So that's why I'm going to save it. It's not going to take up any space that I need to use, and it's going to save me money. Next year I can use the same tree. This card, which is one of my favorites, is from, I think 3 or maybe 5 years ago. It's my friends, the Masambu family in America. So I just love it. The kids have grown now. I'm sure they'll be embarrassed when they see photos of this. I don't know why teenagers get embarrassed when they see their photos. Let us undecorate. I will start with this, and I will use it to put all the Christmas bulbs. And I did save the original ones, so whatever doesn't fit here will have to go to the original one that it came in. Oh yes, things from the pound shop. The zip has broken already, but I will be able to fix it, I hope. And yeah, I'll be able to fix it. And this time of the year reminds me a lot of growing up in South Africa, in KwaMashu, in the township. A lot of South Africans will relate, because growing up, my grandmother worked in, we used to call it a majaldini, so she basically worked for white people and worked in hotels, worked as a maid. And we used to have our Christmas in January. And I just never understood, and it was still very exciting. I thought you get your Christmas tree on the 5th of January, and it was the most exciting thing. You have Christmas, you wear your new clothes and do whatever, have your several colors, otherwise known as 7 colors. And then on the 5th of January, that's when you have your Christmas tree. That was my reality. That's how I knew it. Only to find out when I was much older that was because the white people would be throwing away their Christmas trees in January, and then our parents will pick them up and bring them to the township to decorate with them. And the most exciting thing was also to get the old covers from their presents, and you would use them to cover your school books, to cover your school exercise books. So we really, really didn't understand why we had our Christmas tree in January, and we never questioned it. It was just what it was. And only as a grown-up did I find out that, it was because they were getting rid of their Christmas trees. That's why we ended up having ours in January. Yeah. the things that happen when you grow up, experiences that you only experience when you grow up in the township. For me, I enjoy Christmas because it's one of those holidays that just reminds me of the good times from when I was growing up. It's a family time. It's the time where you get new things. It's the time where, because also December is the end of the year in South Africa, so that's where you get your school report card. If you've passed, you get rewarded, and you get all your cousins come to visit. You see family members, you see all the friends who are in boarding school. So it has always been that special time of the year. I don't celebrate it for any religious reasons other than just as a good family time. I just enjoy and love it. Please do let me know how you celebrate Christmas in your country. And as a kid, how did you celebrate? What are some of the best memories you have for this season of Christmas? And if you are South African, do you still buy new clothes to wear on Christmas Day? Do you still have to have your Christmas dress? Do let me know down below in the comment section. If you have children, how has it changed how you used to celebrate with your parents compared to how you spend Christmas with your children, with your family? And this year, it's actually been a good Christmas because we get so consumed with traveling and doing things. And it had been a long time since I spent like Christmas at home without rushing to go anywhere. I didn't spend it on holiday. I didn't spend it with people who are external from my family. It was really good. I did have a good time. I did enjoy it. And now we are back to reality. We are back to life. We were hoping that 2021 is going to be a good year, but it doesn't look so. It doesn't look like it is a year that is bringing us anything other than misery because of what is happening around the world. But we are still hopeful. We do hope things are going to get better. Good thing now is, yay, I still have so many of these that I'm gonna eat. Oh, there are so many. I better check if my dental plan is still in good order because, hey, so much sweets that we eat around Christmas cannot be good for us. Okay, I have to stop being lazy and get up if I want to get this one. And when do you guys take down your Christmas trees? How long do you keep them in the house for? Do you throw them away if you use the fake ones, or do you keep them for the next year, or do you just buy a new one every Christmas? Please do share with me in the comments section. Did you guys, especially you guys who grew up in Africa, believe in Santa or Father Christmas? Because for me, like, I just knew Santa or Father Christmas. Actually, we knew them as Father Christmas, as a man who rings the bell for sales at the furniture shops. I don't know if it happened the same way where you come from. And I knew this thing of chimney and bringing presents. It was just never going to happen in my township. There is no man who is sane in the head who would come to KwaMashu, where I grew up, at night, bringing expensive presents and expect to leave. Never. Santa would never have come to my township. Did you guys believe in Santa as kids? Did you get any gifts? Did you get any presents that were coming from Santa? Please do share down below. I'd like to hear your stories about your belief in Santa. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe on this channel. Thenjiwe Unplugged, and I will be doing videos twice a week, every week, and I look forward to seeing you with my next video. Thank you so much, and a very happy new year to you. One of the good things about taking down the Christmas tree is that I have discovered all the Christmas presents that I almost forgot about that were hiding under the tree. You know, after the Christmas dinner, you get so full, you have so many presents, you end up just forgetting some of them. You open them, you're excited, you're happy, and then you just don't go back to take them. So I'm so happy. I've just rediscovered my hidden treasures that I had left under the tree. So I am all excited and also ready to eat, wear, and drink whatever is in here.